welcome to you all. Thank you for joining us for the 2025 University of Colorado Denver Alumni Awards. This year's College of Engineering, Design, and Computing Distinguished Alumni Award recipient is Albert Ruckman. Presenting the award to Albert is the Dean of the College of Engineering, Design, and Computing, Dr. Martin Dunn.
Well, you've already met me, so let's get going here. So I'm thrilled to recognize one of our truly outstanding alums tonight, Al Ruckman. There's so much to say about Al and the tremendous impact he's had on society throughout his career, but I'm going to leave you with 3 words that I hope stick when thinking about Al: nails, peaches, and passion. So Al's had a distinguished career as a civil engineer, figuring out ways to reinforce and stabilize the earth underneath and around the buildings, roads, and bridges that we build so that they're effective and safe. Safe not only during normal use, but during extreme events like earthquakes and floods. Al founded the world-renowned company Geostabilization International, and you can personally see just a sliver of Al's impact every time you drive on I-70 in western Colorado and see the remarkable engineering feats that support the highway there. Al's field consists of technical jargon like geosynthetic reinforced soil, stabilized backfill, batter walls, tiebacks. Let that sink in a little bit. But Al introduced another word to the industry: nails. Al saw a British military cannon created to launch chemical weapons and envisioned a way to adapt it for societal good, to drive huge nails into soil to stabilize it for building. Al transformed the chemical weapons launcher into the soil nail launcher, a machine that fires 20-foot long, 1.5-inch diameter steel nails into soil at 250 miles an hour. Think about that for a second. 20-foot long nails, 1.5-inch diameter nails, 250 miles an hour. This innovation has been a global game changer in his field. Al's innovation was recently recognized by the American Society of Civil Engineers, who awarded Al and his business partner the 2025 Baker Award in recognition of this ingenious innovation, emphasizing the development of new technology to achieve field performance not previously seen. Al formally retired, but I don't think he really retired. He turned his attention to running the family farm in Palisade that produces some of the very best peaches in the world and many other fruits. And it's wonderful to have his family here with us that helped run the farm for him and move that whole industry forward. I've been lucky enough to enjoy these great peaches, and I'm thrilled that last year Al gave back by hosting a group of CU Denver students to tour his farm. They left amazed at Al's story, his generosity, his amazing peaches, and his passion. And that's the 3rd word I mentioned: passion. I've seen this firsthand, and so will you when you have a chat with him. And I encourage you to grab him and chat with him. I visited Al's farm one day when it was too cold to go outside. And Al took me into his office, and on his desk was a report from a new project being developed in western Colorado. It was prepared by a consulting firm and analyzed soil stability and hazards for building on top of it. And Al was volunteering his time and his expertise to the local community to assess the report's recommendations. He thumbed through the report, talked through it with me, and he showed me a significant error that the engineers that had created the report had made. He explained how the lack of understanding of a very subtle detail regarding the local geology led to an error and how it could be remedied. I was amazed at Al's intellect and passion. I felt like a student again, being taught by a master. So Al, your journey is a testament to the power of a CU Denver education and the remarkable impact that our alumni kind of make across disciplines and around the world. For your contributions to your field, to society, and for showing us all that great engineers can do more. They can grow great peaches. We're proud to honor you with this year's Distinguished Engineering Alumni Award. Congratulations and very, very well done.